The adventure of actually understanding how your mind works is a long process. And first things first is to even catch yourself in your automatic patterns that you're stuck in. We run our automatic patterns. We live in our past 90 to 95% of our day. And then we're not present. And if we meditate, maybe that would get us to like 5% more. But we're just so stuck in our automatic programs. Remember, I say up, you say up. Wait a minute. I say left, you say left. I say stop, you say stop. So within 15 minutes, you have broken out of an automatic oppositional pattern that you've been in your whole life. And if you take that into your life, notice that the automatic patterns that you were running in can be changed.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.